A poetry book titled Brittle, written by Riniki Chakravarty Marwein'S, was launched yesterday at Dylan's Cafe in Shillong. Meghalaya's legendary musician Majaw, widely known for his Bob Dylan tribute shows, graced the occasion as a chief guest. Marwein'S debut work, Brittle, is a collection of poems around childhood and family, love, loss and memory, and how she dealt with the challenges of the pandemic. Majaw, in his trademark denim shorts, leather wristbands and mismatched socks, recited some of the poems from Brittle along with Riniki. Brittle is currently available on all leading e-commerce platforms and at select bookstores across the country.
I recite a poem because the best thing is, by doing that, I will cripple the economy. So the idea not to cripple the economy is by buying Brittle. Okay, please do that. And keep on reading and enjoy reading. And as far as reading in Shillong, forget about Shillong.